Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to edit the music. Okay. So what I want to do is let's play from the beginning and see how it sounds.
Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your editing skills to life? Then Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate courses for you.
Okay. So we can pause for a second and let's adjust the audio levels. Okay. So we can make this negative 25 decibels.
Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life? Then Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner and I'll be leading you through this course. Video editing is an in-demand skill in 2021.
Okay. So let's cut it here. So let's go to edit and split layer. We'll delete that. And let's split these. We'll delete that. We'll save it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.